Hi YouTube, it's the 12th of the 10th, 2011, and I looked at a post tonight, and it was about something that, I don't know why, but it's been concerning me for a couple of years now. I've had lots of dreams about this place for some reason, and whenever I see a picture of it or a story about it, I go cold. I don't know why. And I've often put this on my profile. Eyes right to the Hoover Dam. It's just something that has really got a grip on me. Anyway, this post tonight is about Hoover Dam, and it's about, sorry, trying to find it. Here we go. And it's about the fact that this person is claiming to have read an article that shows that earthquakes are being deleted very close to the site of Hoover Dam. They're small earthquakes, but they're at such a register that the Post reckons, this is the man who's read the article on another website. On the website, this man reckons that these small earthquakes of 2 to 3, which are then being deleted, he's had confirmation, I think from USGS, he emailed them, that they're actually being deleted because they're not earthquakes. So that would make them some sort of seismic event, presumably by fracking or something else like that. But the man who's written the article says it can't be that because the size of the quake, the size relative to the quakes, wouldn't be used for fracking, as it's too great. So it's a bit of a mystery. So he's got this whole list of he had alerts. He had the earthquakes on alerts. They were coming into him, and they've all been deleted since. And so there's a bit of a mystery going on here. So I've just come over to have a look around the area, and there doesn't appear to be any earthquakes showing. There's Hoover Reservoir. It's a big amount of water, big expanse. Anyway, perhaps someone in America could take a look around this, someone a bit more local who knows what they're looking for. I'm going to give you the link to another brother, Mark, whose post I read, and then a link to the website that he was talking about. Oh, and something else. You know how the US notes, some of the bigger notes, like the 5, 10, 20, 50, I think it is, have a scene on them that depicts an event. If you fold it into a pyramid at the top and then turn it upside down, it shows a scene. Now on some of the notes, what's being shown is the Twin Towers with the smoke rising over the top. And then there's a nuclear scene on the $10 bill. But on the $50 bill, there's a scene that depicts, people think, Hoover Dam and the water pouring and bursting over the top of it. Let me know what you think. Thanks, YouTube.